The Condair ME Series, a system that marks a significant advancement in evaporative cooling and humidification technologies. With a patented multiple pump concept designed to enhance efficiency and operation. This approach not only reduces power consumption, but also achieves a near silent and vibration-free operation. The system's safety is further enhanced by its low-voltage design. It is UL 998 listed. The Condair ME Series features built-in stage control at no additional cost. An optional conductivity and temperature-controlled scale and hygiene management system helps in minimizing scaling, preventing water wastage, and ensuring the longevity and efficiency of the system. Let's delve into the operational process of the Condair ME Series. Upon receiving a demand for humidification or cooling, the system's inlet valve opens, allowing water to flow into the hydraulic assembly. As water fills the assembly, a sensor float rises, monitoring the water level to ensure uninterrupted operation. Upon reaching a specific water level, an optional ultraviolet antibacterial system will activate and will continue to run until the water level lowers. The first stage pump activates as demand for humidification or cooling increases, pushing water upwards through a designated hose. As demand continues to increase, subsequent pumps activate in sequence, each contributing to the escalating need for evaporative cooling or humidification. As a system approaches its set point, it begins a step-down procedure, sequentially deactivating the pumps. The Condair ME Series integrated overflow system simplifies the installation process by requiring only a single drain pipe connection, reducing installation costs and complexity. When the system initiates a drain-down process, it activates a drain pump that maintains a head of water to empty the system quickly. As the water level drops to a specific level, the ultraviolet antibacterial system will shut off. The remaining water continues to drain through the gravity drain valve until the system is completely empty. The system benefits from a compact assembly for flexible installation options and a modular media cassette system, which makes it possible for a single engineer to assemble or disassemble the system. The hydraulic assembly can be installed either inside or outside the air handling unit. The sealed electrical harness eliminates the need for a traditional wiring junction box. The Condair ME Series revolutionizes evaporative cooling and humidification with its patented multi-pump technology, integrated controls, and hygiene management, establishing new standards in efficiency, safety, and performance.